Welcome back to Intact Knowledge. In our previous videos, we covered the role of a QA/QC engineer, the complete QA/QC document list, and the project quality plan. Today, we're going to understand a document that is even more important, the quality manual. This is a company-level document that controls quality for civil, electrical, mechanical, and HVAC works across all projects. Do you really understand quality manual? Many QA/QC engineers hear the term quality manual, especially during audits, but very few actually understand what it is, why it exists, and how it controls the entire company quality system. Today, we will break it down step by step in very simple language. What you will learn. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand these points, and you will never be confused again during audits or interviews. What is a quality manual? Why it is required? Who prepares it? What it contains? Difference between quality manual and PQP. How auditors use it. What is a quality manual? A quality manual is a top-level document that defines how a company manages quality. It describes the quality management system, QMS, of an organization at the company level. Simple definition. Quality manual is a document that explains company quality policy, company quality objectives, structure of QMS, compliance with ISO 9001. In simple words, the quality manual explains how the company ensures quality in all its projects in compliance with ISO 9001 standards. Company-level document. This document is applicable to entire company, all projects, all departments. Quality manual is a company-level document, not project-specific. One quality manual is applicable to all projects and departments. Why quality manual is required? A quality manual is required because ISO 9001 demands documented information about the QMS. It acts as a reference document during internal and external audits. ISO 9001 connection. The quality manual is prepared according to ISO 9001-2015 requirements. It aligns company processes with ISO clauses, risk-based thinking, and process approach. Who prepare quality manual? The quality manual is usually prepared by the QA/QC department or QMS manager, and it is reviewed and approved by top management. Who uses quality manual? This document is used by management, QA/QC engineers, auditors, and sometimes by clients to understand the company's quality system. Quality manual versus PQP. The difference between these two is shown in the table on screen. Quality manual, project quality plan. This is a very common interview question. Quality manual is company level, while PQP is project level. Typical contents of quality manual. Quality manual includes scope quality policy, quality objectives, organization structure, QMS description, ISO clause, mapping. Scope of quality manual. The scope defines what activities and services are covered under the company's quality management system, such as types of services, locations, applicable standards. Quality policy. Quality policy includes customer satisfaction, compliance with standards, continuous improvement. Quality policy is a top management statement that shows the company's commitment to quality and continuous improvement. Quality objectives. Quality objectives includes measurable, achievable, reviewed periodically. Quality objectives are measurable goals like reducing rework, improving inspection compliance, or meeting client satisfaction targets. Organizational structure. This document contains organization chart, roles, responsibilities, authorities. The quality manual clearly defines roles and responsibilities of all key personnel related to quality. QMS process description. This section explains how different processes interact to deliver quality throughout the organization, such as QMS processes, core processes, support processes, management processes. ISO 9001 clause mapping. The quality manual usually includes mapping of ISO 9001 clauses with company procedures and processes such as ISO clause mapping. Control of documents. The manual also explains how documents are controlled, approves, revised, and distributed within the organization. Control of records. This section includes record control, storage, retention, retrieval. Records are evidence of compliance, and their control is clearly defined in the quality manual. Audit and management review. The quality manual explains how internal audits are conducted and how top management reviews the performance of the QMS. During audits, the quality manual is usually the first document auditors ask for because it gives a complete picture of the company's QMS. Common mistakes following are the common mistake, copy-paste manuals, not updated, not followed on site. One common mistake is copying quality manuals from other companies without implementation. A quality manual must be practically followed, not just documented. Summary, in short, quality manual equals company-level document, ISO 9001-based controls entire QMS foundation of QA/QC system. To summarize, the quality manual is the foundation document of a company's quality management system. In the next video, we will discuss quality policy and quality objectives, which are derived from the quality manual. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more tutorials on QA/QC documents. Thank you.